Once you have all the credit card listed, I want you to focus on the balances that has less than $1,000. If you have any debt that is less than $1,000 for revolving debt, I want you to go ahead and pay it off within a year. No if, no but. You can do it. The second step, I want you to go ahead and check the rest of them. I want you to take a look at those high interest rates. But I really want for you to focus on, if I were to keep those three, I'm going to have to pay $215 every single month. And again, it's not going to get me anywhere soon. So what I want to do is I want to consolidate all of that and have one single payment and have a very specific term to the point I'm going to get rid of all that for once. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and get a personal loan, consolidation loan. So here's the balance. By having a loan at 11.99%, my monthly payment is only $339. That is only $124 extra and compare what I have to pay combined. And I am guaranteed to pay it off in 24 months. But what if I can't get 11.99 and my interest rate is 17.99? Take a look at that. That is only $20 extra. So if I have to pay $144 extra, I'm still able to pay every single one of them off in 24 months. That is a financial tip of the day from Bliss Finance.